Hi all, just like to take you quickly over the new features of daytradr 1.1.0.5. First thing we have is we can see we've added some more buttons here. We know we've got the delta here. This is for the volume, this is for what we're calling the depth meter, and this is to switch on the crosshairs. So first let's just look at the crosshairs. Work as you'd expect. You can put them anywhere and you'll see the scale over on the right. We still have the highlighting. If you look on the right, the depth and sales on the price scale, we still have the highlighting there showing us where we are. If we turn the crosshairs off, we can see we're highlighting on the right. Down here we have the volume. What you can see here, we've got a volume bar. You can see here we've got a circle where we've got a lot more selling than buying, and that's the total at price. Doesn't really mean that it's the total at a specific splice of time. So these circles build as long as we stand at that price, could be minutes. With the volume, this shows us we've got more volume in a specific interval. So we had more volume in an interval here, no circle, just a lot of volume. Then in this area, we had more volume. We had an imbalance we can see there to the sell side. So we can see a big red bar with a little bit of blue. So we can see for these two intervals, we had a lot more volume than usual. We actually came down to an area of high depth as well. So that's kind of handy. I like that. I like the difference because basically this is showing you over time. And of course it will show you when a lot of volume, trades in an instant, but it's kind of showing you large volume over time. This is showing you large volume in a particular instance. So it's still showing you something different. And at the bottom, we've got this chart here, which is a depth chart, which is just showing us a graphical representation of the market depth. Still not really sure what I think of that yet, whether I'll be using that or not. To turn these things on and off, you can just click the buttons here and then just add them in. So for me, I like the volume in delta. I'm not sure of the depth chart yet, but it's there if you need it. And there's the crosshairs. So that's in 1.1.0.5. That's out today. Also got some performance fixes and some of the fixes people have reported over the past couple of weeks in there. We will be now going and adding the alerts. We've already got alerts in the product. We'll be adding those to the charts. And we'll also be charting one other panel in here, but I won't tell you what that is now. I'll save a surprise. So thanks for watching and look out for the release on the Jigsaw members site.